Hello dear students. This video includes questions with the answer in one sentence on poem The Bird Sanctuary by Sarojini Naidu. Let's see. In which collection of poetry is the poem The Bird Sanctuary published? Poem The Bird Sanctuary is published in the Golden Treasury of Indo-Anglian Poetry. In which year is the Golden Treasury of Indo-Anglian Poetry published? The Golden Treasury of Indo-Anglian Poetry is published in 1970. Which birds are mentioned in the bird sanctuary? Amber, ebony, fawn, bulbul, oriole, honeybird, shama, grey pigeons, and the gypsy parrots are birds in the bird sanctuary. The bird sanctuary consists of 4 quatrains. A quatrain is a stanza of 4 lines, which is a figure of speech in line richly cadenced rapture. Alliteration is a figure of speech in line richly cadenced rapture. Who do flit among high-bugs? Bulbul, oriole, honeybird, and shama flit among high-bugs. Who do show their bronze and blue colors? The hoopoi and the kingfisher show bronze color, and sapphire shows blue color. What do grey pigeons dream? Grey pigeons dream to build a home amid the treetops. What does the poet pray at the end of poem The Bird Sanctuary? The poet prays to God to grant shelter to all birds, including broken-winged birds. Whom does poet call as master of birds? The poet calls God as master of birds. What is a magical tumult? A magical tumult means noise of winged choristers, which are different colored birds in the poem The Bird Sanctuary. Amber, ebony, fawn, jade green, bronze, and blue colored birds are in the poem The Bird Sanctuary. Who are called marauders? Gypsy parrots are called marauders. Why parrots are called marauders? Because parrots plunder red ripe figs from the trees and fly away. Whom does the poet call as winged choristers? The poet calls birds as winged choristers. Noise of birds refers to festive of dawn. I hope you would like this video. Thank you very much for watching video.